Hello everybody out there, and welcome back to another RostyMaths video, and welcome to a beautiful sunny day where I decided I'm not going to film inside in my made-up studio. I'm going to film outside in the garden because the garden is lovely. You've got lots of background noise. I'm not going to fade that out. I want you to hear the background noise, including the builders behind me who are doing work on a house behind there. Anyway, let's jump straight into it. So you are here to watch a video on sharing a quantity into a specific ratio. I've grabbed my trusty iPad. Let's get to work. So you're given a ratio. Let's say that my ratio is 2 to 3. And let's say that, you know, somebody, because of ages, let's say maybe because of ages, okay, because that makes life really easy. So because of the ages of two youngsters, they got to share some money. So granddad has given them some money. Granddad said, well, okay, I give you £20, but because one of you's older and one of you's younger, you're going to have a bit more money and the other one's going to have a bit less money. How do we share that £20 into a 2 to 3 ratio, where the oldest person gets 3 parts of the ratio and the youngest person gets 2 parts of the ratio? Well, the way we do that is like this. Step number 1, I want to find out what each part of the ratio is worth, and to find that out I need to add my ratio and then divide £20 by that amount, because that will tell me the value of each part of my ratio. So let's go. So I add my ratio, 3 plus 2, that gives me 5. And then now I'm going to say that each part of my ratio will be 20 divided by 5. So each part of my ratio is worth £4. Let's make sure that that looks like money so that it's not too fussy. So that's going to be £4. Each part of my ratio is £4. Now that I know that each part of the ratio is £4, I can now work out that the younger person will get 2 times £4 because they get 2 parts of the ratio. So 2 lots of 4. So they will get £8. Older person will get 3 times 4 because they get 3 parts of the ratio. So 3 times 4, they get £12. Now, and that's the end of how you share a ratio. So if you ever have to share a ratio, that's how you do it. You add it up, then you divide your amount by that to work out what's the value of each part of your ratio, and then you multiply to work out what each person gets. However, there's a couple of things that you can also look at to make life really simple. So like, for example, after I worked out the younger person's amount, I could have just subtracted that 8 from 20 to work out what the older person got, because at the end of the day it still needs to add up to £20, and that's what's important here. So I could have gone that way and worked that out and life would have been great. Okay, very short video. Did you get that? If you did, smash that like button, hit that notification bell while you subscribe to make sure that you don't miss another upload like this. Could you have worked it out a different way? If you did, drop it in the comments below. Those are always welcome. But anyway, until I see you on the next one though, peace.